गुड आफ्टरनून स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हो आप। आज हम अपना जो सिक्स चैप्टर हम कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं उसी सिक्स चैप्टर का थर्ड लेक्चर। इन दिस थर्ड लेक्चर वी आर गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक्स, that is compound. In the previous two lectures we have discussed about the states of matter. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gases. According to different criteria, how the substance is classified into solid, liquid and gases we have studied in this lecture. Now second lecture we have discussed in the last week, we have studied in the last week, that is types of matter. There are three types of matter: element, compound and mixture. We also learn in that lecture, that is types of types of elements. There are three types of elements. Which are the three types of elements? First one metals, second non-metals and third one metalloids. Metals have different properties, like lustrous property means shiny surface, have a malleability properties means flattening ability, sonorous property means making sound, conducting property means conducting electricity, conducting heat, and totally opposite properties in non-metals. But third type of element which shows the properties of both metal and non-metal are called as metalloids. Means there are three types of elements, that is metal, non-metal and metalloids. Okay, now today we are going to continue the same chapter with the next topic, that is compound and types of compound. Okay, what is the name of our chapter? Composition of matter. Composition of matter. Composition of matter and next property. First, that is compound. What is by compound? When two or more elements chemically combine to each other we get the compound. कंपाउंड का डेफिनेशन क्या है? टू और मोर एलिमेंट्स केमिकली कंबाइन टू ईच अदर वी गेट द कंपाउंड. सेकेंड, कंस्टिट्यूट एलिमेंट्स इन द कंपाउंड आर हैविंग इन फिक्स प्रोपोर्शन. जो एलिमेंट्स में कंपाउंड में जो एलिमेंट्स कंस्टिट्यूट होते हैं, पार्टिसिपेट होते हैं, दे हैव इन फिक्स प्रोपोर्शन. एंड थर्ड, दैट इज वॉट एवर द original properties of the constituent elements in compound are totally changed. elements में compound में जो elements participate होते हैं, constituent element जो होते हैं, they change their original properties. उसका जो original properties है वो compounds में क्या होते हैं? change होते हैं. now next topic जो हम आज start कर रहे हैं, that is types of compound. Compound and types of compound. Types of compound. For identifying or for studying about this topic, we have given the activity on the page number, that is 42. 42 पेज नंबर पे आपको एक एक्टिविटी दिया है. What is that activity? We have given some apparatus. First, that is evaporating dish, tripod stand and burner, and some chemicals are also given you, that is camphor, washing soda, blue withdrawal, sugar, glucose and urea. First of all, there is a evaporating dish. This is a evaporating dish, and this evaporating dish we get on the tripod. Here is a net और जो गेज होता है, now and here is the burner for this is the burner. It is a air-breathing dish. Different chemicals or different substances in this way. When we put the setup of this air-breathing dish, then burner, then tripod. Now keep the air-breathing dish on the tripod set. Then take some camphor first. That is camphor. First substance we should put in the air-breathing dish, that is camphor. Now when we heat the substances particles of the camphor, यहाँ पे इस air-breathing dish में हमने camphor put किया, and when we provide the heat to the camphor, then we will get all the camphor. अब suppose camphor को heat दिया तो क्या होता है, that is converted into gaseous state. वो पूरा क्या होता है, gaseous state में convert होता है. Means there is no residue. After heating there is no residue. No residue. No residue means कोई भी substance हमें उस पे after heating the camphor, all camphor particles or pieces of all camphor will be evaporate. Means converted to gaseous state. Means no residue remaining there. कैम्फर को हीट दिया तो कौन सा भी रेसिड्यू मीन्स रेन सब्सटेंस जो कुछ आफ्टर हीटिंग अब हीट करके जो सब्सटेंस बचा रहता है वी कॉल इट रेसिड्यूज. कैम्फर को हीट दिया तो नो रेसिड्यू, कोई भी कुछ भी सब्सटेंस हमें नहीं मिलता. सेकेंड सपोज इफ वी हीट द लाइमस्टोन, सेकेंड सब्सटेंस कौन सा है, लाइमस्टोन. Same activity, if we put the limestone in the air-breathing dish and again provide the heat to the burner, provide the heat by burner, then we will get the, when this limestone get the will absorb the heat, then it will convert into some gases, smoke particles releases from it carbon dioxide and release the residue that is in the white color. White color residue we get here. White color. White color residue we get here by heating the limestone. Third, suppose if you third substance, which substance is given us, that is washing soda is also same. Washing soda को heat दिया तो भी white color residue हमें मिलेगा. After washing soda, if we heat the butyl, then we also get the white residue. But when we heat the sugar particles we are taking additional picture, provide the heat by burner, then these particles, sugar particles will convert into blackish or coal. Therefore we get the black residue, black color. Black color residue means some substances gives after heating them, after providing heat to them, it gives white color residue. Some substance gives black color residue, and camphor does not give residue. कौन सा भी substance हमें शेष नहीं होता. Means when we heat the substances strongly, in case the compound those substances do not get properly, means जिस substance it get the white residue या फिर black residue मिलता है, means the combustion of these substances does not take properly. जिसका combustion properly नहीं होता, camphor get the properly combustion, therefore no residue remains. यहाँ पे कौन सा भी residue नहीं मिलता, means the combustion of copper takes place properly. Those substances do not burn properly. Those the substance combustion of that substances not take properly. Black color carbon residue remain there. We call them organic compounds. compounds or carbon compounds means ध्यान में रखो जिस सब्सटेंस में क्या होता है कार्बन कलर रेसिड्यू मिलता है आफ्टर द बर्निंग आफ्टर द हीटिंग ऑफ दैट सब्सटेंसेस वी कॉल देम कार्बन कंपाउंड therefore sugar glucose are the carbon compounds because after heating them we get the black residue black color residue ये जो sugar है कौन sugar glucose petrol diesel kerosene are the such type of substances when we provide the heat to that substances after burning of that substances we get the black color residue so they are called as organic compounds or what is the another name for that compound that is carbon compound okay ध्यान में रखो what is the definition of carbon compound those substances after their burning means their burning is not taken properly we get the black color residue are called as carbon compounds okay then very total opposite definition of inorganic compounds what is the inorganic compounds those substances decompose on strong heating to leave a residue देखो दो by providing a strong heat when those substances we get for them strong heating them and other residues form देखो limestone providing heat them and white color residues form here therefore limestone is the inorganic compound okay limestone blue vitriol are the inorganic compound those substances when we provide strong heat to them and leave white color or other residue then we call them inorganic compounds okay ध्यान में रखो organic compound means those substances by providing heat to them leaves the black color residues are called carbon compounds or organic compounds those substances providing the strong heat to them and leave the other residue are called inorganic compounds and third type of compound that is complex compound means mixture or one or more types of substances combines one or more types of compounds combines to get complex compound for example chlorophyll is the carbon compound because it contains the hemoglobin iron cyanocobalamin these are the different compounds mixed to each other to form that is cyanocobalamin means that is B12 ध्यान में रखो cyanocobalamin iron hemoglobin totally mixed into the chlorophyll means chlorophyll is made up of two or more type of compounds therefore it is called complex compound okay means there are three types of compounds which are the three types of compound tell me then three types of compound yes what are the which are the three types of compounds first that is first organic compound is also called as carbon compound second inorganic and third that is complex there are three types of compounds first one what is meant by organic compound those substances are heated or those substances when we provide the heat to that substances it leaves the black residue are called carbon residue are called as carbon compounds or organic compound those substances when we strongly heated to them after heating it leaves the other residue are called as inorganic compounds and mixture of one or more type of compounds are called as complex compound what are the examples of Organic compounds, that is sugar, glucose. Inorganic compound, that is limestone, I think blue withdrawal. And what is the example of complex compound? That is hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is made up of, that is the chlorophyll, and chlorophyll is made up of two or more types of compound. First, that is iron, hemoglobin, then cyanocobalamine means it is also called as B12. Okay. Now again there are different types of mixture. There are again next topic, types of mixture. देखो, we have seen the types of compound. In the last video we have seen the types of elements. In this video we have seen the types of compounds. There are three types of compounds. First one, organic compound. Second, inorganic compound. And last one, that is complex compound. Again, the compounds are formed by chemical bond. Which bond is present in that compound? According to the presence of that bond, compounds are again classified into two types. That types are the next स्टैंडर्ड. वो जो कंपाउंड्स के जो अगले टाइप्स है वो हमें आपको नेक्स्ट जो 9th 10th 11th 12th में वो टाइप्स आपको कंपाउंड्स के स्टडी करना है. दैट आई ओनली टुडे ओनली आई हिंट टू देम. आज मैं आपको खाली हिंट देता हूँ. देयर आर अगेन टू टाइप्स ऑफ कंपाउंड्स, दैट इज और आयोनिक कंपाउंड है, कोवैलेंट कंपाउंड. तो कंपाउंड्स के और भी कुछ टाइप्स है, दैट इज आयोनिक कंपाउंड्स एंड कोवैलेंट कंपाउंड. मीन्स वो कंपाउंड है उसमें कौन से बॉन्ड प्रेजेंट है, उसी बॉन्ड के हिसाब से वो दो टाइप्स है. ओके. तो हम अगेन नेक्स्ट टॉपिक आज कंटिन्यू करेंगे. फिर टाइप्स ऑफ मिक्सचर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेल मी व्हाट इज मिक्सचर. पहले मिक्सचर क्या होता है, सेकेंड और उसके टाइप्स. मिक्सचर एंड सेकेंड टाइप्स ऑफ मिक्सचर. मिक्सचर, व्हाट इज मिक्सचर? टेल मी. When two or more compounds combine to each other, mix to each other by any proportion, not there is no fixed proportion in the constituent substances in the mixture. Mixture में जो substance constitute होते हैं, they do not have in the fixed proportion. उसका proportion fixed नहीं होता. Second, original properties of constituent substances in the mixture remains constant. वो क्या होते हैं, रिमेन मीन दे डू नॉट चेंज देयर ओरिजिनल प्रॉपर्टीज इन द मिक्सचर. जो कंस्टिट्यूट सब्सटेंस होते हैं, एलिमेंट्स होते हैं, कंपाउंड्स होते हैं, दे डू नॉट चेंज देयर ओरिजिनल प्रॉपर्टीज इन द मिक्सचर. ओके. नाउ टाइप्स ऑफ मिक्सचर. फॉर टाइप्स ऑफ मिक्सचर यू हैव अगेन गिवन द एक्टिविटी ऑन द पेज नंबर 43. आपको 43 पेज नंबर पे एक एक्टिविटी दिया है. टेक 3 beakers. Take a little sand and water in the first beaker. Second, crystals of blue vitriol and water in the second, and blue vitriol and sand in the third. Means we have to put 3. हमें इनको मिक्सचर, टाइप्स ऑफ मिक्सचर स्टडी करने के लिए we have given the 3 glass beakers. First beaker, this is the first beaker. Okay. Here is the second, and it is the third. Okay. In the first beaker we have put the mixture of sand and water. Sand plus water. Okay. In the second beaker, that is blue vitriol and in the second beaker, that is blue vitriol and water. Blue vitriol कॉपर सल्फेट हम उसको कहते हैं ब्लू विट्रॉल एंड वाटर. ब्लू विट्रॉल इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज कॉपर सल्फेट इन द लिक्विड स्टेट. कॉपर सल्फेट जो है कॉपर सल्फेट के जो पीसेस होते हैं ब्लू विट्रॉल उसको कहते हैं, वो ब्लूइश कलर में होते हैं. ब्लू विट्रॉल इट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज कॉपर सल्फेट एंड मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला इट इज CuSO4 blue vitriol. And in the third beaker, that is blue vitriol and sand. Blue vitriol means CuSO4 and plus sand. Now, okay, as per given जो एक्टिविटी में जो सब्सटेंस दे वी हैव रिटन ऑन द बोर्ड देयर. यहाँ पे हमने बोर्ड पे लिखा है. फर्स्ट बीकर कंटेन्स सैंड एंड वाटर. सेकंड बीकर कंटेन्स blue vitriol is copper sulfate, pieces of copper sulfate and water, and third beaker contains copper sulfate and sand. Okay, now after stirring, now stirring this, stirring means हम mix करो. After mixing to each other properly, tell me sand and water can mix to each other. दोनों mix हो गए. After mixing, what we get here? Sand will at the bottom of water. ये sand क्या रहेगा? Bottom पे रहेगा. Means sand and water does not mix to each other. दोनों एक दूसरे में mix हो गए. Sand is stabilized, concentrate on at the bottom और bottom पे concentrate हो जाएगा, stable हो जाएगा. Means sand and water do not mix to each other. ये दोनों सब्सटेंस अलग रहे, एक दूसरे से मिक्स नहीं होगा. मींस वी विल गेट द टू फेजेस. दो डिफरेंट सब्सटेंस हमें मिलेंगे. देयरफॉर नंबर ऑफ फेजेस, कितने फेजेस आएंगे यहाँ पे? नंबर ऑफ फेजेस, टू फेजेस. Which are the two phases here? First phase belongs to sand and second phase belongs to water. Okay. Now same activity done here. Blue vitriol and water. Stirring it. इसको भी stir करो, mix करो properly. The pieces of blue vitriol will be mixed in the water. ये blue vitriol की जो pieces है वो slowly water में क्या हो जाएंगे? Mix हो जाएंगे. And finally all these blue vitriol will totally mix into the water and we get the blue color, bluish solution. और हमें क्या मिलेगा? Bluish solution मिलेगा. Then tell me phases, तो कितने phases मिलेगा? एक ही phase मिलेगा और वो that is blue color solution मिलेगा. Okay, यहाँ पे copper sulfate and sand very simple है. Tell me can copper sulfate and sand mix to each other? वो दोनों एक दूसरे में मिक्स हो गए? No, means color solution sand वो क्या होगा? साइन ऑफ पार्टिकल्स से वो डाउन होगा, कलर सॉल्यूशन मिलेगा. मींस यहाँ पे वाटर भी है. H2O तो ब्लू ये जो है ब्लू विट्रिol will mix into the water but sand will not mix in the water. sand mix नहीं होगा. therefore you will get the blue color solution यहाँ पे. but sand is at the bottom. Sand is at the bottom means you will get two phases here again. Which are the two phases? First blue color solution. Blue color solution and second phase that is sand. Second phase कौन सा मिलेगा? Sand मिलेगा. Okay. Then look here properly. Those solution have a single phase. Means properly mix हो जाते हैं constituents जो substance है वो properly mix हो जाता है. Then we call it homogeneous mixture. What is homogeneous mixture? And when the constituent substances are not properly mixed to each other, we get two different phases of that solution. हमें दो डिफरेंट फेजेस मिलते हैं वो सॉल्यूशन के, देन वी कॉल देम हेट्रोजीनियस मिक्सचर। देयरफॉर यहाँ पे टू डिफरेंट फेजेस है, देयरफॉर सैंड एंड वाटर इज द heterogeneous mixture. In the third figure, tell me which type of mixture is there? Homogeneous or heterogeneous? Which type of mixture in the third figure we will get? कौन सा mixture मिलेगा हमें? कौन सा? Heterogeneous. But why? Because we have to get here two phases. हमें यहाँ पे दो phases मिले and constituent substances are not properly mixed to each other, therefore it is the heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture. In this way there are two types of mixture. Mixture के कितने types है? दो types है. Which are the two different types of mixture? That is homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. You have given the definitions on 43 page number. What is the definition of homogeneous mixture? When all the compounds of a mixture form one phase. When all the compounds of mixture form a single phase. When all the compounds of mixture form a single phase, one phase, then that mixture is called homogeneous mixture. Okay, and when all the compounds of mixture form two different phases, then it is called as heterogeneous mixture. Okay, now tell me, if you pour in a glass of water, if you put the drop of milk, ग्लास ऑफ वाटर है, उसी में मिल्क थोड़ा आपने क्या किया, मिल्क क्या किया उसमें पोर किया, इट विल टोटली मिक्स टू ईच अदर, देन टेल मी व्हिच टाइप ऑफ मिक्सचर इज इट? तो कौन सा मिक्सचर मिलेगा? होमोजेनियस और हेटेरोजेनियस? होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर मिलेगा. व्हाई? बिकॉज व्हाई इट विल गेट द होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर. और होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर क्यों मिलेगा? बिकॉज we will get the single phase there. तो हमें यहाँ पे क्या सिंगल फेज मिलेगा. ओके, इज इट क्लियर? इन दिस वे वी हैव finished the types of mixture here. If you like this video, share it, like it, comment on it, subscribe my channel and press bell icon, that is you will get the notification of latest videos. Thank you.